Today we are back at Legacy Downs by Windsong in Canton, and I am here with Ann. And Ann, it's great to be back here with you. When I was here before, we got to tour your first model home. We'll tour the second model today, but what should people know about Legacy Downs?
Yes, Legacy Downs is by Windsong, and we're here in Canton in the Hickory Flat area. We have low maintenance home sites here. We have some basement lots. We have great amenities. We've got a pickleball court and a pavilion. We've got a dog park and walking trails. So this is an awesome community.
Well, we got to tour the first model last time. Today we're touring the second model home. So can we go inside and check it out?
Sure.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, the first thing I notice is all of this light, and it's very spacious.
It really is. The Sterling is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a guest suite on the main level. It's got a huge kitchen and pantry open to the dining room and living room, so when you have guests, you're all together.
Well, this kitchen is massive, so why don't you tell us a little bit about the kitchen and then the layout on this first floor?
As I said, it's very open as you see this beautiful kitchen with gourmet appliances and quartz countertops included here.
Well, I'm loving the first level. Can we go upstairs and check that out?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, I love the loft feature, so tell us a little bit more about this second floor.
Sure. The Sterling upstairs has a beautiful loft for relaxation. We have a beautiful large primary suite on the back of the home.
Fantastic. Well, I want to see this primary suite before we finish up.
Yeah.
Well, this primary is beautiful, so tell us a little bit about it, especially the bathroom and closet area.
Yes, it's a beautiful large bedroom, and it comes with a tray ceiling. Then you have this beautiful spa-like bathroom that is amazing.
Yes, it sure is. Now, one of the things you mentioned is that on all of the lots, you're able to really use a couple of the plans. So kind of talk through that a little bit.
Yeah, we have 66 home sites here. I can put both the plans on any home site here, in addition to 10 basement lots.
Wow, that's fantastic. And price point?
Price point, we are starting at $575. And right now we have an awesome incentive of $60,000 to use your way. And with our base price being $575, it could bring it down to $515.
Well, Ann, thanks so much for being here with me today and give me a tour of your second beautiful model. And if you are looking for a low maintenance lifestyle with a fantastic price point, come and check out Legacy Downs in Canton by Windsong.